Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemonade lime using an easy method. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion and surprisingly simple to prepare. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons and 4 to 6 limes, along with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure you have a sturdy pitcher and a reliable juicer ready to go. Now let's get to the juicing. Carefully cut all your lemons and limes in half. Using your juicer, extract all the juice from each fruit, making sure to catch any seeds. We're aiming for approximately 1 cup of fresh, combined lemon and lime juice. This step is crucial for that vibrant, tangy flavor, so take your time and get every last drop. Next, we'll create our simple syrup. In a separate bowl, dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar into 1 cup of hot water, stirring until it's completely clear. This ensures the sugar fully integrates into your drink. Once dissolved, pour this syrup into your pitcher with the fresh lemon and lime juice. Finally, add 3 more cups of cold water to achieve the perfect balance and volume. Almost there. Give your lemonade lime a good stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined. For the best taste, place the pitcher in the refrigerator and chill for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready to serve, pour over ice and garnish with fresh lemon and lime slices. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly balanced lemonade lime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.